as with any other application, VLC Media Player also has its own shortcut keys. And let's say you want to go ahead and change the default shortcut keys for some reason. In that case, you can go ahead and add in custom keyboard shortcuts as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Tools, then you need to go around onto Preferences, then you will get the Preferences window right here. So now what you can simply do is go to Hotkeys right here, and here you can see that there are many different shortcut keys right here. But you can see that for some of them, it's not assigned, like roll, viewpoint, clockwise, 360 is here. You want to go ahead and assign shortcut key to it. You can simply go ahead and, let's say, for example, double click on it, and then you can go ahead and then assign it as you like right here, just like this. Just press the keys like Control Alt Shift I, and it's been assigned right here, just like this. You want to go ahead and change the shortcut key for something right here, then you can simply go ahead and then change it out right here, just like this as well. Simply double click, change it out, and click on Assign, and then you can see that since I had used the same key, it simply went ahead and removed it off from this one and assigned it to this one right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and of course you can go ahead and reset everything out as well if you don't want to. And the subtitle position up, as you can see. So let's just go around and type in, let's say for example, double click. I'm going to go ahead and add Control Shift up, Control Shift down, and you can see that this is what has been applied as well. So that is how you can go ahead and assign out custom keyboard shortcuts. And if I were to press save, that will be saved, and then whenever you restart out the application as well, the shortcuts key will still work. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.